Love the sun rays and my books. Today I will do a book haul and I'm all here for it. Now, I have purchased many books recently because मेरा अंदर का bookworm का कीड़ा मुझे सता रहा था. So I purchased everything that I could possibly. तो पहले क्लासिक्स के अंदर I purchased Dostoevsky, White Nights. I want to read it. And Crime and Punishment. Yes, the book cover. It's a hardcover and I got it in Amazon in a very reasonable price. मैंने ये बचपन में पढ़ा था, but honestly speaking, now my perception has changed. So I want to reread it again and I want to observe the things in a very different way now, and I'm quite excited for the Crime and Punishment of Dostoevsky. White Nights, let me see, it won't take much time. मुझे पता है मैं one sitting में complete कर सकती हूँ. But let's see, sometimes Dostoevsky's writing style is a little dense. Like, it takes time for you to really nourish the words. So let's see. I love it. Next, The Color Purple. Yes. And as you can see, मैंने ये पहले ही पढ़ लिया. Because honestly speaking, after the first 3 letters, I was unstoppable because it became such a page turner for me. मतलब मुझे कभी नहीं पता था कि first 3 letters में ही इतना trauma भर देगा. So Alice Walker on Racism, love it. Next, Dracula. And I have recently completed it. I personally found it a little bit lengthy, but I think we cannot see it through the lens of only as a story. I'm a master's student of English literature, तो मुझे ये post-colonial context में देखना पड़ेगा of how body is colonized, how through the spread of the very blood transmission, the colonization of Dracula takes place on England, and how it is not successful because Jonathan Harker, Helsing, and everyone, technically the entire team, rescues and protects England from the infection and epidemic of Dracula that was about to get created. Boring है मगर बहुत interesting है, especially if I talk about the erotic symbolisms here. So I love it. The cover. Next, now this is a little bit on the mainstream. The 13 Reasons Why. अब मैंने Netflix नहीं देखा था, तो I just wanted to purchase it for my own nourishment, and I purchased it. Let's see how it is. I'm quite intrigued with the narrative style, I'll say that, because it's very simple, so you can really distinguish between what is Hannah's recording and where the main protagonist is talking. So it's very interesting that how 2 mindsets collides and immerses with one another. Very interesting. Next, Home and the World by Rabindranath Tagore. मैंने ये पहले ही पढ़ लिया था. It's one of my old books. ये मेरे हॉल में included नहीं है. But it's something to really, I don't know, I just wanted to like make a video, and मुझे लगा कि भाई, this deserves a feature too, because first the cover is beautiful, but second, I don't judge a book by its cover. The writing is amazing. Like, it's Rabindranath Tagore. Like, what do you expect? It has to be great. So yeah, मैंने ये पढ़ा था and I loved it. It's very intriguing. Like, the book here is very intriguing. Why? Because मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा था कि Rabindranath Tagore, like, come on, at the end of the day, he's a male, was so beautifully captured a woman's narrative. Like, I do not want to say कि man explain हुआ या कुछ, nothing happened like that. So beautifully he captured the woman's narrative in this story that it's just commendable. मतलब मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. Although it should be seen as, like, if you want to study the book The Home and the World, it's seen in a nationalistic purview. तो वो एक है, but still, and personification of the characters through the nationalistic purview कि एक British और एक modern mindset है, एक traditional mindset है of Swaraj, and the woman who's captured or pulled between the two worlds. So that is more about that, but I still immensely love it. तो मुझे feature करना था. Next, The Bell Jar. Yes, baby. I'm a Sylvia Plath person after the Daddy poem जो हमारा syllabus में incorporated था of bachelors. I was in love with this Sylvia Plath. Like, she is amazing. And no matter how much I can give emphasis, Virginia Woolf and Sylvia Plath, like, they are, I feel like, dominates my world of feminism because the writings are so powerful. The attack on the patriarchal, toxic men, domination is so much, like, you know, retaliating and rebellious. मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया भाई. And this book is actually very sad. It's not very interesting, like I'm saying. It's not. It's very sad, but भाई, the writing style is so good, and of course it's very much onto the, like, stream of consciousness. एक बार वहाँ से यहाँ जाएगा. So you will be confused that which scene is what. But once you get hang of it, I think it will be very interesting for you. Love it. Next. The main reason why I did a book haul at the first instance. The Sati series. At the end of the day, I was, by God's grace, completed. And मैंने of course ये books नहीं complete किया, मैंने अहल्या complete किया. But what I mean is that I completed purchasing the books, and now I can read it as much as I want. And I'll just say you, अहल्या I completed in one sitting. ये मेरे पास बहुत पहले था, and I completed it in one sitting because the imageries are so good, the allegories are so good, the way the female narrative has been spoken is just, I'll say, speechless, because I feel within the Hindu mythology, women's voice have not been that vocal. So talking about the women voices through the Sati series is commendable. I'm actually very interested to also read Draupadi. I'm excited to read all the books, but Draupadi is one of those that I really want to know, because I think what happened to her was very tragic and very, I'll say, something that is very humiliating for a woman. And I'll say that even the modern woman will be able to, somewhere or the other, will relate with the humiliation that the men feel that they can do with a woman. So it's very interesting. So I'm very interested in reading these. I'll just say, disclaimer, if you once start reading any of the Sati series, it's very addicting. तुम्हें मतलब, I feel from my experience, I completed it in like, मतलब मैं एक बार book उठाई, and the next moment I just kept it once it was completed, because it was so good. So yeah, I absolutely love it. I think I'll reflect more onto this. I'll talk about it in more detail once I complete reading it. And to be very honest, it's very difficult for me to read all of the, like, extra my favorite books, because मेरा syllabus में भी बहुत सारे books है जो मुझे complete करना पड़ता है. And since I'm studying those, it takes more time for me to, you know, absorb those. And plus the semester wise program of PG is very much quick. तो मुझे बहुत जल्दी करना पड़ता है और बहुत कम टाइम में करना पड़ता है syllabus complete, which is a challenge in itself. But I love it. Okay, not complaining, just can't wait to complete all these books. I've already read few of them, तो मेरा कोई problem नहीं है उस चीज़ में, but ये मुझे बहुत mainly complete करना है. तो बस, thank you so much. Love you all. Hope you enjoyed. I loved this sitting position. मुझे लगता है बैकग्राउंड इज़ गुड, दैट इज़ माई काइंड ऑफ बुक शेल्फ, मैं वहाँ पे सब बुक्स रखती हूँ अच्छे से, दैट्स माई स्टडी टेबल. बट आई रियली लाइक दिस सिटिंग प्लेस, द सनलाइट इज़ गुड, तो उसका मतलब मुझे डे टाइम में एक्चुअली रिकॉर्ड करना पड़ेगा. तो yeah, it's good. I like it. It's a good challenge for me to even like start doing videos in case if I don't know, people love it. I love talking to the camera. I love being in front of camera and speaking my heart out. So hope you enjoy the video. Hope you enjoyed the video. And in case if you have any suggestions, please drop down in the comments. If you like it, like it. अगर कुछ नहीं पसंद आया तो that's still okay, no problem. Just love life and just know that life will never give up on you. Bye.